a total of 34. And preschool, 16 boys and 9 girls. All in all, 25.
Morning. Ang satuya pong district representative, nag-graduate po siya ng elementary sa Minalabak Central School. Asin kan siya po makatapos na sa elementary. Ma'am Malin, where are you? Si Malin. Si Reza. Rapin mo. Alright, in behalf of me, who will introduce to Barangay Captain, I know that Mrs. Rapinian know him much better than me. So, may I call the attention, may I request, Mrs. Marilyn Rapinian.
Kinauupuan ngayon. Matamang nakikinig sa mensahe ng panauhin ng pandangay. Nagsimula akong mangarap ng mga oras na iyon at sinabi sa aking sarili, pagdating ng araw, tatayo at magsasalita rin ako sa harap ng marami upang magbigay ng inspirasyon at hamon sa lahat. Isang patunay ang pagtayo ko ngayon sa harap ninyong lahat na kaya ng sino mang na binanggit ko kanina, yung
Speakers for this morning. I will read the content of this package. Department of Education, Region 5, Division of Camarines Sur, Minalabak District, Baliwag Nuevo Elementary School. Present this certificate of appreciation to Belinda R. Raitana for unselfishly sharing with us her time as district representative on the occasion of its 54th commencement exercises anchored on the theme, The Graduate, a partner towards transformational society, an answer to societal change. Given this first day of April 2011, at Baliwag Nuevo Elementary School, Baliwag Nuevo, Minalabak, Camarines Sur. Signed, Maria Jane Lobrino, Advisor. Violeta B. Ogo, School Head. My warmest greetings to all our proud graduates and to the school administrators, teachers, and staff of Baliwag Nuevo Elementary School who have all helped our young ones to reach this significant milestone in their lives. Dear graduates, you have worked hard to be at this threshold separating childhood from adolescence and young adulthood. Everything you have learned will be a good use to you in the future. Your lives are just beginning to open up to many more opportunities for growth in the world. This year's theme poses a challenge to you, young as you are.
sa tulong sa aking pagtapos ang pag-aaral.
Kiss, kiss! Yee!
Ma'am, salamat po. I love you.
Auntie,
Susupport mo sa akin. Good kindness. Darling, I love you.
yee! Hindi na.